10 questions from previous IIT mains or NEET.
Okay, sir. Okay.
And start now.
When will you start the organic chemistry?
Soon, very soon.
Okay, sir.
It takes a week days time. Next week.
Okay.
Problem is if somebody is joining in between, I was have to go back. That is costing me time.
Are you going to start the next?
Next week, we are starting organic. Even this week also we can start if you want.
Sir, today revision starts, right? Periodic properties.
The revision means simple 10 questions we do. All of you can do easily. Let me see
Yes,
whether
sir.
you can
That.
do.
Sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Sir, can you look at the question number 1? The element Z is equal to 114 has been discovered recently. It will belong to which of the following family, group and electronic configuration?
It belongs
114.
to carbon family.
Perfect,
Carbon
because
family is a 14th
103
group.
to
Carbon
118
family, sir.
last. You're right. 103 to 118 last two digits indicate the group number. It is 114, 14th group, carbon silicon family. And it has N minus 1 D10 NS2 NP2 6 D10 7S2 7P2 configuration. So correct option is
Yes, sir.
A.
A.
Yes,
obviously it is A. Let me complete. Some students have joined right now. Okay. So congratulations. MPC students are sharper. This question biology students did not answer immediately. They took almost 1.5 minute time. You answered it 20 seconds. Congratulations. So before we go to question number 2, some people will join, that irritates me. Every time I am going back and wasting time.
You disable waiting room, sir.
I can do that. Sir, question number 2. In which of the following options the order of arrangement does not agree with the variation of property indicated against it? The electron gain enthalpy, which element has highest in the periodic table, sir? Which
Sir,
element has
option D,
highest?
sir.
Sir, first, which element has highest electron gain enthalpy in the periodic table? In case of which element, maximum energy is released? Huh? Which
Chlorine, sir.
Cl. So option A is wrong, no?
A, sir. Yeah.
Option A is clearly wrong, right? Yes.
Yes, sir. Yeah.
Then what are you thinking? Answer is A. Lithium is less than, sodium is less than, potassium is less than, rubidium is true. Down a group, metallic radius increases. Positive ions are much smaller than negative ions. More positive, the smaller the size. C is right. And first ionization energy, B is less than C is less than N is less than O is wrong. So D is also wrong. So A and D, two answers. Wow. A and D both are wrong. Can you see that really? Hello? A is
Yes,
definitely
sir.
wrong. D is also wrong. So if you choose any one of these, you get mark. Should we see the answer? Yeah, for second question, A and D both are wrong. And A is answer for first question. So students have successfully answered this particular question. Congratulations. Okay. Why this fellow is joining so late, irritating me? Mohammad Masimuddin, who is your in charge or what?
In charge, sir. In charge.
Okay. And now I am going to close this. Okay, very good. Very good. So now I am locking this meeting. Now I don't want anybody. I'm wasting time. Every
Okay.
time I'm going, means time is spent. Sir, we have to do 10 questions. Only 2 we have done so far. Which of the following orders of ionic radii is correctly represented? Question number 3. The species argon K plus Ca plus to contain the same number of electrons. So they are called isoelectric. Very good. Question number 5. Which of the following arrangements represent the correct order of least negative to most negative electron gain enthalpy? Which has
Option D.
highest electron gain enthalpy?
Identify the
In the given options, fellow with highest electron gain enthalpy is fluorine. Fellow with the lowest electron gain enthalpy is calcium.
Calcium.
Answer D is right. Second group elements have very low electron gain enthalpy. In fact, they have 0 values. Least negative. And amongst halogens, Cl is highest, but Cl is not given here. Answer is D, no doubt. Question number 6. Identify the wrong statement in the following. You
A
have
is
to
wrong,
identify wrong. A is?
Wrong.
A is wrong because smaller the
Small.
positive charge of the cation, bigger is the radius. Or
Sir, A wrong, sir.
A is wrong. Clearly A is wrong. No need of say other statements, but let us say others also. Amongst isoelectronic species, greater the negative charge on the ion, larger is the
This
perfect.
is true.
Atomic radius of elements increase as one moves down the first group of the periodic table.
True.
True.
True. Atomic radius of elements decrease as one moves across from left to right is a perfect.
Correct,
What
sir.
about question
Wrong,
number
sir.
7? Question number 7. D is right. Question
Yes,
number
sir.
7. Question number 7. The ionization energy of sodium is 5.1. What is the electron gain enthalpy of Na plus?
Minus 5.1 electron volt.
Perfect answer is auntie.
A, sir, answer.
Answer
Yes, sir.
is A. Huh?
Yes. A, sir, answer.
Answer is A.
Answer is A, sir.
Yes.
Question 8. The correct
Sir.
order of decreasing ionic radii.
Option C, sir.
C.
Perfect. Answer is C. Perfect. Question number 9. Which has
Sir.
highest electron gain enthalpy? Cl. Which has least electron gain enthalpy? Oxygen.
B, answer. B.
Answer
Option
is
B.
B for
sir.
Bombay.
Ball.
Answer is B for Bombay.
E.
Sir, A.
B for Bombay. B for Bombay. Notice oxygen has lower electron gain enthalpy even sulfur. In oxygen sulfur family, oxygen has lowest electron gain enthalpy. Answer is definitely Bombay. Question number 10.
Bangladesh.
Answer is Bangladesh. Perfect. So try to answer remaining questions. There are 36 questions. That is our exercise for today. This book is there with everybody. Do you have this book?
Yes,
Hello?
sir. Yes,
So
sir.
that is your homework. You will be doing that now.
No, sir.
No, sir, I do not.
You don't have this book?
No, sir.
Sir, 1 month ago you sent, sir.
I have sent again. I am sending.
Not
What is
send
it?
it.
Huh?
Yes, sir, not send.
Sir, send in group, sir.
iPhone.
Sir, what is the book name?
I am sending across now.
30 years need.
Right now I am sending. After sending, I will talk. It will
Okay,
not
sir.
take long.
Sure, sir.
Busy.
So in which group I should send?
Chemistry group, sir. अरे MS जेल में भेजो जी.
Send to MJS.
Sir is busy.
So
Wait.
which group you want? What is your group?
Sir,
It
MSJ.
is,
Sir,
uh,
MSJC.
JH41 IIT.
JL.
Open your WhatsApp. We will say, sir, this is the.
All of you check up whether you received it. I have sent in the group.
No, sir.
Did you receive?
Not.
Sir, we received.
No, sir.
Those who say no have just ping me.
Sir,
Sir, MSJL. Got it, sir.
Those who
MSJ.
did not receive, just ping me. Those who did not
sir,
receive, just
MSJ.
Sure, sir.
Sir,
Sir, I
send on
didn't get.
MSJ.
JL 41 MSJL.
Yes.
sir.
Let me last.
41.
Sir,
Received,
I
sir.
also did not receive, sir.
I didn't got.
I didn't get, stupid fellow, correct your English. Now you check whether you
sir.
received.
Sir, God, sir.
Yes, sir. Got.
Yes, sir, got.
Yes, sir, received.
Sir.
Congratulations.
Sir, we got, sir, we got.
I got.
Okay, very good, good. Now
Sir,
I am
we-
sending this.
sir,
Hello. Now this lesson which we are dealing is. Wait, man. This is the lesson we are handling. What is the name of the lesson?
Environmental chemistry.
Yeah. So. Wait, man. I have some. Because I have to send this book to you, right? Should I have to send this or you have a copy of this? Hello?
Send, sir.
Send, sir. Not this.
Send, sir.
I am trying to send.
Send, sir.
I am trying to send. What is your group? Come again. It is
14 chapter.
wait, man. I have sent the lesson also. Okay.
Okay, sir.
In the meanwhile, 8 fellows got disconnected, so I am admitting them.
Okay, sir.
Oh, I have admitted all. This is the lesson we are dealing today. The world has achieved brilliance without wisdom, power without conscience. Ours is a world of nuclear giants and ethical infants. This is a quotation with which the lesson begins. So, the wisdom means how to use your resource properly. Conscience means mutual consent and agreement. And we have nuclear powers, but people don't know where to use, when to use, how to use, if it is required to use. Okay. If India gets irritated, it wants to throw a nuclear bomb on nearby countries. If you throw an atom bomb on the nearby country, radiation can come back to us because our both countries are separated by no distance. Just if you can walk into a neighboring country at border. And you know it is border between India and the neighboring country. A crow and a snake and a donkey and a dog do not know it is one country, that is one country. It think all this is common land. All the walls human beings have constructed. But in nature there is no separation. Don't you think so?
Yes, sir.
Yes. You have no authority to destroy others, but countries are doing that. Therefore, what is the effect of this we are studying? Environmental studies deal with the sum of all social, economical, biological, physical, chemical interrelation with our surrounding. So in this chapter, you are focusing on environmental chemistry. It deals with the study of the origin, transport, reaction, effects, and fates of chemical species in the environment. So mainly we are studying the undesirable changes brought about by harmful chemicals. Many chemicals and substances operating with each other. But the human interaction has increased the concentration of some materials so that now they started creating harm. There is carbon monoxide created by nature, but you increased the amount of carbon monoxide and the increased level of carbon monoxide became toxic. So a chemical which is naturally there in environment in some proportion, whose concentration is increased by human activity, so that it is causing harmful effect to all living organisms including plants, is called as pollutant.
Sir, you aren't screen your share.
You are not able to see my screen?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Congratulations.
Yes.
Now can you see it?
Yes, sir.
No,
Yes.
sir.
Yes, sir.
So we are
Yes,
saying
sir.
that what is a pollutant, sir? What is a pollutant?
The substance that pollute.
The effect of undesirable changes in our surroundings.
Harm our environment.
I would say that a natural substance whose concentration increased to harmful level by human activity is called what, sir?
Pollutant.
It is originally there in nature, but its concentration increased too much. Carbon monoxide, for example, ozone, another example, carbon dioxide, another example, sulfur dioxide, all they are there in nature, but you have increased their level to a harmful extent. That's the problem. Yes, sir. But there are some chemicals, substances, which are not there in nature, but developed
These.
by human activity and are harmful. Also, the pollutant which God created can naturally be removed by nature itself. For example, CO is there. If you increase the concentration of carbon monoxide, the organisms in mud can destroy CO. If you increase the level of carbon dioxide, no doubt it is harmful, but it is naturally absorbed by green plants and also by oceans. So all what God created, if you increase its concentration to a harmful extent, if you made it as a pollutant, slowly nature will destroy it. But there are some materials which are not there in nature, but you made them and they have harmful effect on living organisms and they are not removed by nature. Anything that removes a pollutant by absorbing is called a sink. When the sink is taking away the extra pollutant, slowly effect of pollutant will disappear. But there is second kind of pollutants. These substances are not there in nature, but these are developed by human activity and are harmful. These are called contaminants. What they are called? They are
Contaminant.
called. A contaminant is bio non-degradable. It is not removed by nature. It cannot be. Because it was not made by nature. It is bio non-degradable. Example for contaminant is DDT, dichloro-diphenyl trichloroethane. This white powder developed by human beings to kill ants and animals and pests. Another such contaminant is
Endosulfan, sir. Endosulfan.
another such contaminant is
Endosulfan.
endosulfan. Okay, that is a pesticide. PAN, peroxyacetyl nitrate, phosgene.
Well,
All these are very dangerously polluting. These are called contaminants. A pollutant can be a solid, it can be a liquid, or it can be a gas at room temperature. Now we are living in a ocean of air, yes or no? If pollution is caused in air, it has more serious effect than pollution caused in food. We consume less food, but consume more air. Do you agree or not?
yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Therefore, pollution in the
Sir.
environment of atmosphere has more serious ramifications. If you are looking at the atmosphere around you, the first 10 kilometers is called troposphere. Up to 50 kilometers is called as stratosphere.
Exosphere.
Up to 80 kilometers is called
Troposphere.
mesosphere. Beyond that, it is called ionosphere, troposphere, stratosphere, mesosphere, and the last level is called as ionosphere. These are the 4 divisions of atmosphere from 0 to 500 kilometers. Again, 0 to 10 troposphere, 10 to 50 stratosphere, 50 to 80 mesosphere, 80 to 500 ionosphere. In this graph, I have shown like this. What is this? What is this, sir? Temperature. If you are going up in troposphere, temperature drops. If you are going up in stratosphere, temperature rises. If you are going up in mesosphere, temperature drops. In ionosphere, again, temperature rises. This is a graph that shows variation in temperature. Now, troposphere is the environmental air blanket within which most of us will live, including plants and animals. If the sulfur dioxide gas is released from Madhura refinery, The gas can happily travel and attack the marble stone of Taj Mahal. Exactly 100 years back, Taj Mahal was much more beautiful than what it is today. The environmental pollution is causing so many side effects. Now we are looking at the topic. What is pollutant? Pollutant is a chemical that is naturally present in air whose concentration increases to a harmful extent by human activity. Contaminant is a harmful substance which is not there originally in nature. Totally it is synthesized by man. A sink is a thing that can absorb, remove, or make it unharmful by absorption. So we are agreeing that a sink is really removing the pollutants. Sink for carbon dioxide is green trees and oceans. Sink for carbon monoxide is microbial organisms in muddy soils. So on. The chemical description of the fellow that causes pollution is called as speciation. The part of the human body that is affected by pollutant is called receptor. If you go to Amirpet, immediately you feel that there is a burning sensation in the eye. Because Amirpet, there is a lot of pollution by vehicular traffic. Nowadays, the traffic has gone down due to your corona problem. Nevertheless, again, traffic is picking up. People are declaring that they don't care for corona. So you understood what is receptor? Hello? Receptor is part of human body affected by pollutant. If you go to Amirpet, the receptor is ice.
Ice.
If you inhale carbon monoxide, your blood becomes carboxyhemoglobin and unable to carry the oxygen. In this case, the receptor is what?
Nose.
Yes. The sulfur dioxide gas whose
Mouth.
concentration is more than 10 ppm. By ppm, I mean how many milligrams are there in 1 kg. SO2, if it is 10 ppm, it is harmful pollutant. Are we together on this idea? Yes, sir. Now we agreed upon what is a pollutant, what is a contaminant, what is speciation, what is the allowable limit of SO2. This allowable limit, that is receptor. If a pollutant is there in allowable limit, it may not cause serious harm. If it is more than the allowable limit, it causes harm. That dose which is harmful to more than 50% population is called as threshold limit value. For carbon monoxide, threshold limit value is 9 ppm, means 9 milligrams per kg air. Sir, threshold limit value is the maximum allowable value at which a worker in a company can happily work for 8 hours without losing his health. If a worker cannot work for 8 hours without losing his health, then the pollutant concentration became dangerous. And what is the allowable limit for each chemical so that a worker can safely work for 8 hours a day?
Excuse me, sir.
Is called, yes, sir.
Sir, what about the book given by college?
What about the book given by?
College.
Use that book, sir. Read that. That has so much information on lesson called environmental chemistry. First, you read your NCERT book and then read the college book. Always my rule is first you love your mummy, then you can love all aunties on the street.
Okay, yes,
It
sir.
doesn't mean that aunties are not important. So first you read your NCERT, then you read college book, then you read any other book.
Sir, NCERT means you
I have
just sent,
already
no, sir?
shared the book. I have already sent. Okay.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Now I was talking to you about receptor threshold limit value. The less is the threshold limit value, the more dangerous is the pollutant. For SO2 TLV is 10, for CO TLV is 9, for PAN TLV 0.02. By TLV I mean to what extent a pollutant, if it is there, a worker can safely work for 8 hours a day, maximum limit. If you cross that limit, the worker in industry is badly affected. Are we clear on this? Now, there are two terms. Today we don't have time to look at them. One is called BOD, biological oxygen demand. Other one is called COD, chemical oxygen demand. Third term is DO, dissolved oxygen. We will be looking at these terms tomorrow further. Today homework is read first 3 pages in environmental chemistry lesson. Do all the given objective questions in lesson called periodic table from the books I have shared. With that note, we are closing today's lecture.
Sir.
I wish you good luck.
Okay, sir.
After doing this, you try to do some questions from material they have given. Okay, good luck.